gonna do today? What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little test on Connor, and we're gonna see if he could find the squeaking noise somewhere in the house. What we're gonna do is we're gonna play a squeaking noise on this phone, and then we're going to hide it somewhere so then he could find it. Let's go ahead and test this out. Connor, come!
This is mine.
There you are. Okay, sit. Sit. And make sure he sits. I'm gonna go ahead and get the squeaking noise ready. Now we're gonna figure out if he can find it. So where do you think we're gonna put this?
Well, how are you gonna turn it on without him knowing where you're at?
Well, I want you to make sure he sits. I'm gonna go put it on. It takes a second.
I know, I have my own bottle too.
It takes a second for it to start.
Are you gonna sing another Cher song?
All right, so I want you to hold the camera. Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
So it's like that. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hide. Let him come in. Turn on the camera first.
It's on, honey.
It's still on.
Yes. Come on, Connor.
There you go. Okay, let's see if we can find it. Can you find it? See if you can find it. Yay! You found it! Okay. He found the first time.
Yay! Did you find the squeaky toy? Did you do a good job? We're gonna find it again, okay? So we're gonna wait for Sophia.
I found it.
Where?
Okay, this is the bathroom behind the door. He found that? Or okay, let's see if he can actually find it. He found it!
Yay! Good job, Connor. Good boy, Connor. Good boy. You want a treat? Good boy.
Boy. Good boy. We're on to test 3, so we can go ahead and.
All right, you found 2 of them. Now it's time to find 3, right, Natalie?
Yeah.
He's gonna find the 3rd one.
Yeah.
You ready?
5 of them.
5? No, 5?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see.
Alright. What the heck? I thought you wouldn't notice at first.
Let's go. Go get it, Connor.
Waiting in the house.
Okay. It's on the stairs, covered by some clothes. Okay. Looking over here. He found it!
Yay! Good job. Come get your treat, Connor.
Nice job.
Yes, you found it.
I think he's liking this very much. Round of trying to get him, so I'm gonna go hide it in a harder place. It's gonna be super hard. I already played it, so it should be squeaking right now. I think he hears it. I think he has an idea where it is, he just doesn't get it.
Don't eat the doll, Connor. Get out of here.
No.
Connor, it's not the doll.
It's not. He doesn't really know where it is yet.
He thought it was the doll.
Yeah, he's like, where is it?
There.
Okay, he's so close to getting it.
He thought it was the doll. It was right by
Yeah,
the
it's in
doll.
a condensed place, so he doesn't hear it that well. It's right here, Connor. All right, that one
Good boy,
I think
Connor.
that one I think he kind of failed. Well, that was him trying. Connor, come over here. Be presentable. Sit. Sit. All right, high five. You did a good job. And see you guys next time if we ever do another test. I really want to. Bye.